everybody, it's Mrs. Olson. Hey, today I'd like to talk about a new coin, and that one is the nickel. Yesterday we talked about pennies. Today we're going to talk about the differences between that and a nickel. The guy in the front is Thomas Jefferson, and on the back it's kind of silly. His house, Monticello. That's how you can tell it apart from a penny. It's thick, it's silver, and bigger than the copper small coins that are pennies. It's not a penny. It stands for 5 cents. A nickel and 5 pennies are equal. That means they are the same. But it's so much easier to carry around in your pocket 1 nickel than 5 pennies. Well, you can count your nickels if you have more than one pretty easily and pretty fast if you count by 5s. Here's how you do it. We always start with 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. As you count by 5s, you'll notice a pattern. The numbers end either in a 5 or a 0, all the way up to 100. It takes some practice, and it's a lot of fun to do. So you can work on that at home more and more. But right now, let's take a look at writing and counting up some nickels. I have our nickel page right here. And we're going to figure out how many we have in these piles. Remember, 1 nickel is the same as 5 cents. So let's write that down. 1 nickel is 5 cents. Well, 2 nickels, that's kind of like 2 hands. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's write that down. 10 cents. Now we have 3. Let's count by 5s to figure it out. 5, 10, 15. I counted 3 nickels worth. Now we have 4. Let's count by 5s again. 1 nickel, 2 nickels, 3 nickels, 4 nickels. 20 cents. Sometimes when we count money, we have not just nickels, but we might have some other coins like pennies to go with it. I know we talked about these yesterday. Remember, a nickel is 5, a penny is 1. Let's put them together. 5 plus 1 more makes 6 cents. Let's do this one. 5, 10 plus 1 more. Did you get it? It's 11. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. You always want to count the nickels first. Let's count by 5s, our nickels down here. 5, 10, 15, plus 1 more is 16, 1 more is 17. We're counting up from biggest to the smaller coins. Great job. Keep counting by 5s at home. Keep counting coins. You are turning into a coin pro. Bye-bye.